Hey guys, welcome back to another grocery haul. Today we have Costco. This was a large, very large monthly Costco trip. We hadn't been to Costco in a while. I honestly, the last time we went, I think we spent like $100 and some odd. I think I uploaded it here on this channel. This was $554. Yes, it's some household stuff and groceries, and a lot of it is like bulky stuff that we either needed to restock up on or get for the girls' lunch. We don't shop at Costco really unless it is a good deal. There are some things that I don't find Costco to be cheaper than my basic grocery store, which is H-E-B. Some things were impulse buys, but a lot of it was like, we need this. It'll last us longer than a month, but it's gonna cost us upfront. So here we go. $554 later. Let's jump right in. We got a lot of stuff, so I have the whole table covered, the island, and over here. So we'll start over here with the meats. We were completely 100% out of lunch meat, so I picked up 2 turkey breast packs because they were on sale. So it's a little over 2 pounds. And what I do is I take them out of the package and I just freeze them in these individual packages. So I'll put one in the fridge right now and freeze the other one, and when they're on sale like that, I think they were $3 off, I like to buy 2 and again freeze them. Same thing with the ham. 2, I will cut one and put one in the fridge now and one in the freezer for later. We wanted to try this Canadian bacon. I think you can have 3 pieces for 1 point. Again, keep in mind we are doing Weight Watchers. I'm currently on the green plan, and so some of the meats and stuff still count for me points wise. So I think you can have 3 slices for 1 point. So I wanted to try this for like breakfast sandwiches and stuff. The actual big ham, where they were on sale, I don't know if it's because they were left over from the holidays or what, but it was $19.19. That was the total price, and then it was $10 off at checkout. So this big old ham for $9, and we're just going to either stick the whole thing in the freezer or slice it up and freeze it into little individual bags. This is something that would be really good in the Instant Pot or the slow cooker. I had seen these Tyson blackened chicken breast strips well, for me, I don't know how many points they are. I have to check. On blue and purple, they are free, and supposedly they're really good. So I wanted to pick them up and try them. I also picked up some boneless, skinless chicken breasts, the frozen individual ones. This was a really great deal. You get 10 pounds for, it was around $18. The cheapest that I can get chicken at the store is $1.99 a pound. So this made it like $1.80 something a pound. And I got this, like if I needed something really quick, I could just pull out a couple chicken breasts, throw them in the Instant Pot, and I don't even have to worry about thawing them out. Whereas the chicken that I buy at H-E-B is in like a huge pack, and it takes like 2 days to thaw out that chicken. So picked up that just for like quick things. 2 packs of these Salmon Burgers. I have one over here and one on the table. I think these were 4 points for 1 patty. So I got those. 1 pack is for my grandma, 1 pack is for us. Picked up some cheese. I do need to pick up fat-free cheese from the regular store, but for big recipes and like when the girls are eating and stuff like that, I use just the regular cheddar jack cheese. I mostly feed them whatever we're eating, but things like this, I don't feed them like the fat-free stuff. They don't need that kind of stuff. They are fine with the regular. I love butternut squash, but it is a pain in the butt to cut. So I picked up this to see how it was, organic butternut squash. I think this one was in, yeah, microwavable 5 1-pound bags, which is cool, and it was way cheaper than the fresh one. The veggie burgers, we tried there, the Chipotle black bean. I think it was 5 points for 1, so that's exciting. I ordered some Smart Buns from the Smart Baking Company, which are only 1 point a bun, so that'll be a nice lunch option for me. These are expensive though. I think it was like $14 or $15. The grapes were $1.89 a pound, which is great, so I picked up this, I think it's 4-pound little container of green grapes. Feta crumbles, we were completely out. The girls like that in their salad, so I picked up that. Some cucumbers. I think I have 1 in the fridge, but they were cheaper at Costco than they are at the regular grocery store right now. Asparagus is also cheaper. Again, like I mentioned, I really don't pick up especially fresh fruits and vegetables there unless it is cheaper for me, a cheaper option, or I cannot get it at the grocery store. So the asparagus was definitely cheaper at Costco. I picked up that to have for dinners. Edamame. I bought a little bag of edamame in my HEB haul a couple of weeks ago, and I want to say it was like $2 for the little bag. This was like $7 for this ginormous bag. So we picked that up. Picked up some cheese. This Jarlsberg light reduced fat Swiss cheese is only 1 point for 1 slice, which is awesome. So I don't know that I can freeze this. It's best by June, so that's not bad. I'll definitely use it by June. So it came in a twin pack. And then Andres wanted the Havarti cheese, which this is 4 points a slice. I guess if you're going to make like a grilled cheese or something, it may be worth it to get this one instead of that one. And the girls will eat this as well, and that if they want. Brussels sprouts were cheaper there, but I really wanted to pick them up because I've had Brussels sprouts recently at Cheesecake Factory within, like, it was right around Christmas time, and they were so delicious the way they made them. So if you have a favorite Brussels sprout, like a good Brussels sprout recipe, let me know in the comments below because I want to make those. Carrots for the girls. I like the fact that these come in 2 bags. These pizzas, I think they were around 11 points. It's an individual pizza. I've never had these before, but I thought it would be kind of a good option, just something quick. Again, if the girls need like a quick lunch, a hot lunch to take to school or something, you can just pop this. You can do it in the microwave or the oven. Don't know that that would be an option for me every single day, but it's nice to have it as an option nonetheless. Okay, spinning over here. Jimmy Dean Delights English muffins. There are 12 in here. We got 2 packs just because if him and I both are eating one for breakfast, like this morning we had one. They are 8 points, I believe. Actually, these may be 7. I have to check, but they go quick. 6 meals, that's not a lot. So we picked up 2. Picked up, this was an impulse buy, the cilantro lime crema for tacos, or this would be good really on anything. It was 2 points for 2 tablespoons, which again is not awesome, but if you're looking for just a little something for your tacos, that's not bad. Some canola oil cooking spray because I've been trying to cook less with like actual oil and more with sprays. The protein cookies were on sale. These are kind of expensive. You do get 20 cookies in here, 10 peanut butter and 10 chocolate chip. I want to say these were 7 or 8 points per cookie. I've never tried them before. I don't know how good they are or how big they are. Andres actually wanted to pick these up, so we'll see. I'll let you know. I think they were around $10. So we got them. Some red hot sauce. This was on sale for $4. I have a buffalo chicken recipe I want to try, and it calls for Frank's red hot sauce, and so since it was on sale, I got it there. I've never seen bubble fruit sold anywhere. This is super cool. It is the peach strawberry lemonade. I got these for the girls. They're little bubble fruit in with the peaches. They're going to love these, so I picked up a big pack of those. Veggie straws. You can have 38 veggie straws for 4 points, which again, I'm not condoning eating a whole bunch of processed foods or anything like that on Weight Watchers, but every now and then it's nice to have something like this where you know you're having quote unquote like a little junky snack for only 4 points, and you get 38 of them. That's really great. Plus the girls like these for their lunches. So I picked up just the bag of that. A lot of granola bars here. We were completely out of granola bars for the girls. I have been eating the Built bars, which satisfy my craving for a granola bar, and they're only 3 or 4 points depending on which one you eat. These to me are not worth the points, but the girls love them. I think this one was 7 points. I think that one was 8 points. I don't know how much that one was. Not worth it for me. I can have a whole meal for 7 or 8 points. So not worth it, but the girls love taking these for snacks at school. Love. So I got them a variety. The peanut butter dark chocolate protein bars, the soft and chewy granola, and the sweet and salty peanut. They love, those are always their first option to take. So I picked those up for them. We needed pancake mix, so I would rather have the Kodiak Cakes one versus a regular one. It's lower in points. I need to check it, but it's lower in points, so I picked up that. The Premier Protein was $7 off, which is great. So the 18 pack is $20, making them a little over $1 each, which is not a bad deal at all. You guys know I like putting this in my coffee. It's 2 points for one. I go to Starbucks and I order 2 shots of espresso over ice in a venti cup. That's exactly what I say. I get it every time. Pour a whole Premier Protein over it, and it gives me just enough cream, enough sweetness with the caramel, and it's so good. It's an awesome way to have your coffee, because I've noticed you can have this whole thing, which has 30 grams of protein in it, for 2 points, and the sugar-free vanilla coffee creamer that I've been using is 1 point per tablespoon, and I need 2 to 3. Plus I have to put sweetener in it, so I'd rather have this. So I picked up those. They also had peaches, chocolate, and vanilla, but we were completely out of caramel, and we have vanilla and chocolate in the fridge already. Some Crunchmaster crackers. I want to say you could have 16 of these for 3 or 4 points. So this will be nice with like tuna salad or chicken salad, or just a side to have with a wrap or something like that. A big thing of pears. The pears were cheaper there. I want to say they were about $1 a pound. This is a 6-pound pack, so that'll keep everyone in fruit for a little while. We've never tried the Oikos, is that how you say it? 000 Greek yogurt. This is 2 points for one, which is really great. So we're going to try it. It was on sale, I think, for $7, and you get 18 of them, which is not bad at all. Over here, oh my gosh, a big thing of mozzarella cheese. Again, we buy that in bulk because it's cheaper, and we will put one in the fridge and one in the freezer, and it lasts a long time. We don't have any problems with that. So that $5.50, I don't know if I mentioned it earlier, did include some toiletry items and household goods. It wasn't just food. The food was probably about $4.50 of it, somewhere around there. And then the household stuff and the toiletries were around $100, somewhere in there. But still, it was still a lot. I was kind of shocked when she was like, oh, $550. I'm like, what? I guess I don't know what I was thinking. So it's very easy to rack up money at Costco. So beware when you go there. Great deals on some stuff, but just beware. The Scotch-Brite heavy duty pads were on sale for $9. I think we bought this pack like 2 or 3 years ago, and we're just using the last sponge, because what I do, since they come individually wrapped, I will cut it in half. So it comes with 24, 21, and I actually get 42 out of them, which is awesome. So finally we're running out. We picked up one of those. Baby wipes, these are actually for my mom, but these are the baby wipes I love. We just happened to have bought like 5 packs of them when they were on sale right before Everly was born. So I picked that one up for my mom. The baked chips were on sale, I want to say for $8, which is a great deal. There are 30 bags. Once again, the girls can take these for lunch, but not only that, if I want chips, I would rather have them pre-portioned and baked. They're lower in points, and they're a little bit better for you than regular chips. Just a way to have a little junky snack in a better option. I got some sparkling water. I really like these. They're 0 points. It gives you like a little flavor, like you're having some sort of soda, but it's not actually soda. So I picked up one of those. I picked up some more of the sweet mini peppers. This is a little bit bigger of a bag than what I got last time. I made chicken fajitas and it was so good. I'm definitely going to make it again. They're the other salmon patties. Some PB2. This is also for my mom. I have about half a container left of this. I actually like to put this in my oatmeal. I will use regular oatmeal and put 2 tablespoons of this in. You can have 2 tablespoons for, I think, 1 point, if I'm not mistaken, or maybe 2 points. I can't remember, but I put 2 tablespoons in my oatmeal. It's super good. You also can add water to it and drizzle it over apples or celery or anything like that, and have a healthier option of peanut butter. I think I'm just said these were 1 point for 1 stick. So these were kind of pricey. I think they were $14, but you get 28 sticks, and for him to take as a snack to work or whatever, we picked those up. This, again, something that I love is Chinese food, and if I can have it in a pre-portioned packet that I can actually count, I think it was 11 points, which is not ideal, but I get 52 points in a day, guys, so it's not like this is going to make or break me, but it gives me that option of having something Asian inspired without actually, these are Japanese style noodles, not Chinese, but just in general, I love Chinese, and that is such a downslope. If I actually go get Chinese food, I would rather have it pre-portioned, that I can make it, I know how many points it is, and I can move on my merry way. It's all about moderation and what you make of it. So I picked up that. The vitamins were on sale for $6.99, so I picked up 2 packs. The girls needed them anyway. We go through these fairly quickly. So I picked up 2 packs of those. Some fabric softener sheets. I couldn't remember if we had any really, and I don't plan on couponing here in the next several months. It's tax season. I started school again. I just don't really have the time, so I just broke down and bought them. These will last us a long time. Diaper Genie, these were on sale for $5 off, so it made them about $5 container, and it's worth it because if you've ever had smelly diapers that build up, pee diapers, whatever, they stink. And this really, really helps make it not stink. So we picked up that. The Goldfish were on sale. And again, the girls for snacks or for lunches, they have to take something every single day, both of them and both of the older girls. And so it's just cheaper for me to buy them in bags. Way easier. I don't have to worry about portioning or anything like that. Fabric softener. I knew we had soap, like detergent, but I couldn't remember fabric softener, so I picked one up just in case. 2 things of the Sara Lee Delightful bread. I love this stuff. You can have 2 slices for 2 points, which is pretty good. I'm going to put both of these in the freezer. I just pulled one out of the freezer. It lasts forever. It lasts like in the cabinet, no problem. Everly's upstairs with Andres, so if you hear her. But having it in the freezer and then pulling it out lasts even longer. And then lastly, a big thing of paper towels, because I feel like with sickness going around, we were going through paper towels like crazy to try and disinfect stuff and make sure everything stayed clean or whatever. And so we needed a new one. Whew, that was a haul. It's actually crazy. I feel like if I had gone to the grocery store, and when I say grocery store, I mean H-E-B, and spent $550, I would have got so much food, but it would have been in smaller quantities, you know, like the yogurt. There are 18 of them. When I buy yogurt, I normally buy them in a 4-pack, and I buy maybe 8. Same thing with the granola bars. There are 48, 64, and 30 in that pack. If you buy them at H-E-B, they come in a pack of like 6 or 8. So this stuff will definitely last us a while. I don't plan on going back to Costco probably for 2 months, but it was a hit to the monthly budget for sure, especially because we just shopped at H-E-B 2 weeks ago, and this isn't even all we need. We need some more stuff from H-E-B because the fruits, some of the vegetables, they're not cheaper at Costco, so I would rather buy them at H-E-B. So anyway, we are done. Costco haul, $554. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.